that huge billboard. It's so stupid. Oh my god! What the hell? Stop! Why did it kick me in the head? It tried to eat me! At least I got back up. What was that? I don't know. I almost died! But then, why did that giant hamster attack us? It didn't make sense!
Yeah, it does. We were covered in peanut butter.
Oh yeah! The peanut butter party tonight, last night. Whose party was it?
It was my party. Did you do that on purpose?
Yes.
I am the evil kitty.
And I will destroy you all! Woo! Ow. What the hell is that gas problem? Okay.